There are many types of Bitcoin wallets. Um, it sort of began as software. Well, it did begin as software. So originally, the only way to create a Bitcoin wallet was essentially to download the software. But what's involved in a Bitcoin wallet is that there's a private key that generates a public wallet address. And the public address is that random string of characters that you would send your Bitcoin to or receive them into your own wallet. So the private key is essentially the guts of the Bitcoin wallet. If somebody knows what that random string of characters is, so whatever that private key is, they will be able to send your money from your wallet. And so that's essentially the key that keeps it safe. So what is the best hardware wallet, or what is the best Bitcoin wallet? Well, it is a wallet that is not online. So there are services out there that will provide an address for you, and you can essentially move coins to that address, but it's not the best way to do it. For example, let's say you move your coins to an exchange. So Coinbook's an exchange. We provide you with an address, and you can move your coins to that address, and we give you credit for those coins on your account. But when it really comes down to it, who owns those coins? I mean, we're holding it for you, but we are your bank, is what it comes down to. Thankfully, we do it in a great way because we keep our coins offline. So we're not leaving them online where somebody else can steal them and you're at risk. But for any other exchanges, I don't know how they run their operations. And I don't trust my money with other people. If I want it to be safe, I need to hold it on my own. And so the best way to do it really is to get a hardware wallet. Hardware wallets are not that expensive. It's less than $100. Most people, in my experience as an exchange owner, most people invest more than $100 into cryptocurrency. And so it's not that big of a stretch to keep those coins safe. There are different brands, but you really need to protect your own key and keep it all in a good place. Our favorite company is Trezor. Trezor has the least complaints, but there are other reputable hardware wallets out there. Some people argue that a paper wallet is even better, but paper wallets, you can screw them up. There's really no backup if something happens to that paper wallet. And if you create a paper wallet with a key that you've generated with any normal pattern, there are bots out there that will try to find patterns for generating private keys. And so they'll go, 101010, and look for patterns that people have put weak, not randomized private keys on. And a lot of those paper wallets are susceptible to that. So it's just smart to keep your coins offline and keep them in a Trezor. So each Trezor, just so you know how that works, you would get a Trezor. You essentially generate 12 or 24 keywords, and those keywords you would write down. And when you write those down, you need to keep them in a place where no one can see them. It may not be the safest place to put it in a bank vault, because if a bank employee gets that box open, takes a picture of your keywords, they've stolen your coin. They're gone. And so you'll want to keep those private. And so keeping them, safe or in a personal vault or hidden, you'll want to just be smart about where you put those so that you can restore that. Because on the flip side, if you have your hardware wallet destroyed, say it just breaks or maybe it gets stolen, there's a passcode on the hardware wallet itself, but the hardware wallet isn't the end of the world. You can go and get another one, put in your 12 to 24 words and restore your money again. You'll want to move them off if somebody's got it or something, just so you can, start over with a fresh one. But it's not too hard to keep your information safe, being your own bank. And that was the invention of cryptocurrency, to be your own bank. There's a lot of companies out there that want to hold your money, and it's so that they can lend it out and try to make a profit and all kinds of things. But if they make a bad decision and their company fails, it's like putting your money in a weak bank that gets stolen or closed down. Something happens and you have no recourse. So in this industry, your recourse is your own. It's part of the beauty of having the control of your own funds, and a hardware wallet makes it easy. So we recommend everybody to use a Trezor wallet or something similar.